Property Control is a comprehensive mobile app that simplifies property, lease, and tenant management. It ensures seamless access, automation, and transparency in operations. Unit Management Module enables efficient individual complex, centralized platform to create, view, update, organize details, keeping up-to-date records. Add tenant details and view history easily. Upload KYC documents with digital storage for lease files. Quick search functionality helps you find everything fast. We provide a guided process for lease operations. Easily add, renew, or end leases with full document support. Our system ensures complete data integrity and traceability. Link essential documents directly. Assign facilities to buildings or units for better organization. Our app supports English, French, German, Dutch, Hindi, Bengali, and Spanish, ensuring accessibility everywhere. You can easily generate reports with export options. Screen options provide quick exports for professional PDF or Excel files. Our integration handles massive data sets smoothly. Work smarter, save time, and stay in complete control. Choose Property Control CRM for modern management, the smart way to manage properties.